Thank you, CA Clifford ji. Dear members, I think at the beginning of the term, we had instituted a BCICI Ambassadors Award. It was meant to be something to recognize our members who have been doing a lot, which has been benefiting the members on a consistent and regular basis. Of course, to start off, I think we were in the middle of a pandemic. I think one of the most important thing that we needed at that point in time was to ensure that the well-being and the fitness of the members was maintained. So I think we had such a nice icon to start off the Ambassador Award, which is CA Ronak Desai. CA Ronak had initiated a group, WhatsApp group, where most of the members and their families had joined. They were participating in activities which were conducted very innovative manner, people where they could do it from their home, at the same time benefiting and motivating each other. So this has now grown into such a big movement. We call it the Tadipar movement at the moment, where it's not only the members of the BCICI, but also a lot of non-members who are also joining and participating from this. So this has basically become a fitness movement that he is spearheading. And it is my pleasure to welcome the very first recipient of the BCICI Ambassadors Award, CA Ronak Desai. Please put your hands together for CA Ronak. So this is the very first award for CA Ronak. I would probably now request CA Ronak to say a few words.
Thank you, CA Ajay, for this fantastic honor and award for recognizing the fitness movement. But this award does not belong to an individual. It belongs to the entire CA fraternity of Bahrain. And the entire credit for this award goes to two things. One is our CA profession, because the profession has given us the ability to think that nothing is impossible. And when you see a chartered accountant, you see a good chartered accountant. But when you see a chartered accountant and expect them to be a good marathon runner, then it is a challenge for chartered accountants. And the entire fraternity of Bahrain, the CA fraternity, took this challenge hands on. They came together and worked for their fitness. And today there are many marathon runners, there are fitness enthusiasts. This award belongs to them. And the second credit goes to CA Ajay, because a chartered accountant can be a chartered accountant but may or may not be a good cricketer. But in CA Ajay, we have a fantastic cricketer, and that is why he was able to recognize immediately that this platform has to be developed to recognize and help recognize all members in her potential. And thanks to his efforts and his recognitions like this, that these efforts are being recognized, and thanks for providing such a platform for all the members.
Thank you.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, CA Ronak. Thank you. I'm now happy to invite the second winner of the BCICI Ambassador Award, CA Jonathan D'Souza. He is being awarded this award in recognition for his outstanding contributions to the BCICI fraternity by spearheading the environment protection and awareness among the BCICI members and their families. The launch of the BCICI Earth Warriors Group has been instrumental in spreading awareness among the BCICI fraternity. Of course, this is also a recognition for his better half and our dear ExCom member, CA Rowana Miranda, and her and his parents, who have been equally contributing towards this effort. It is my pleasure to welcome CA Jonathan D'Souza. Please put your hands together for CA Jonathan. So here you go. Now, probably I would request CA Jonathan to say a few words.
Sure. Thank you, CA Ajay. And good evening, fellow members and respected dignitaries. Our planet is currently facing many human-made crises, such as global warming, plastic pollution, and loss of biodiversity. At times like this, we tend to think that the big problems can only be tackled by countries or governments. But we underestimate our power as individuals. So keeping this in mind, I had decided that along with the support of my loving family, to start spreading the message of no action is too small. the power of one. It was at this point that the chairman, CA Ajay, firstly conceptualized the CSR committee at the beginning of his term, and he requested me to join, and the movement just took off from there. I would like to dedicate this award to my loving wife and my parents for all the support, and of course to each and every member of the Earth Warriors group who gave up their valuable time to join me and support this cause. Thank you once again. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
And now to announce the third and probably the final awardee in my team's term. He is somebody who is my close friend, who's been there for closely associated with all the sporting activities that we have been doing from the BCICA perspective for the many years now. But there's a side for him which not many people knew, which was about his passion for doing CSR activity. In 2018, he created a group of like-minded professionals, mostly belonging from the BCICA fraternity, who were coming together and contributing for the cause of the less privileged persons in the society, people, our friends who are living in the labor camp and other areas. And this now has grown into a movement which is often very closely working with a community association like the Indian Community Relief Fund. So it is my pleasure to welcome the third recipient of the BCICA Ambassador Award, CA Vinod Rathi. Please put your hands together for CA Vinod Rathi. I would now request CA Vinod to maybe say a few words.
Good evening, members, ExCom, and all respected dignitaries. Serving the society. This is one of my passion which I am pursuing since my school days, which actually came in inheritance from my parents and grandparents. I have seen them doing such activities in my childhood, and I was very motivated to do the same. Also, with the God grace in my school days, I got such a wonderful friends who have similar thoughts to serve the society. So in 2008, we friends formed the NGO named Helping Hands for Humanity, which is actively organizing a blood donation camps in India, and so far we have conducted more than 100 blood donation camps. Apart from these blood donations, we also served orphanage childs, old age home people in India. Now, after coming to Bahrain, as I said, this is my passion, so I want to continue the same in Bahrain. So initially I was doing at a personal level, but in 2018, as Ajay mentioned, that we formed this group called Manav Dham in Bahrain, where we have a group of friends. They are supporting underprivileged people, and we are providing them the food, and also we are supporting ICRF for their social cause. Actually, how this idea was arrived. So in 2018, in our office, I was discussing similar thought with my colleagues, my ex-boss Nilesh, and colleague and a fellow CA member Angelika, because their intention was also to helping the poor people, and that time there was a lot of cases we are hearing that people are not getting salaries, they are not able to procure their food. So then this idea came and we formed this group. We have more than 60 people in this group who is monthly contributing money to support this cause. So basically this award goes to all those people. I am just a coordinator. I coordinate all these activity, but actual support comes from them. And now to pursue my passion better, I got this opportunity to be part of CSR committee this year, which is a very unique concept introduced by our chairperson, Ajay Kumar. So I am very much thankful to our chairperson, Ajay Kumar, and other ExCom member for giving me this opportunity, and now the honor of and this award. So very thanks to you, the team, and I would also like to thank the Lord Almighty, my wife, my family, and all my friends who are supporting me during this journey. Once again, thank you for the award. Thanks.
Yeah. So with that, I think we conclude the BCICI Award, Ambassador Award ceremony. I will hand back the control to CA Clifford D'Souza to take the session forward. Thank you.